look giant.
I am giant April. Mwahaha.
Hey, you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in Bosnia, paradise. What's the real name?
Look at here, paradise to paradise.
Paradise to paradise. What's it in Bosnia?
Yes.
Does it say the same thing?
No, it's in Bosnian. It's raj u raju. Raj u raju.
Perfect.
Raju.
If you're new to the channel,
once again,
thanks for watching and hit that subscribe button. If you've been watching in the past, thank you. We greatly appreciate it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
This is another video that is brought to you by our Bosnian tour guide company, Feel Bosnia. So when you're in Bosnia and you need a tour guide, come see them. We'll put the link below. They'll take great care of you.
I'm here. Hello.
This is Belma. Is that
Belma.
correct? Look, go sit up there.
Oh, is it the King Scary guy? He's kind of scary looking. He looks like the guy from the Lord of the Rings. My precious. Isn't that right?
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
It's kind of like Bosnians Disney World.
Yes.
So people live in this year round?
People book. You can book and stay here.
Okay. So it's a resort kind of.
Yes, yes.
Look, it's Donald
So
Duck
cute.
and the whole gang.
It reminds me of playing putt-putt.
Yes.
Miniature golf,
I
right?
thought that too when we first pulled in. I
Right?
thought there was miniature golf. Yes.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So it's needless to say the off season. That's why no one's here.
Yes,
But this is
in
really
season
nice.
it's always really busy, very busy.
I like all of the colors.
I know it's so vibrant.
So what?
Vibrant?
Vibrant?
Whatever.
I like your word better. Vibrant. It's a new Wayne, a new word invented by Wayne. Vibrant.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah, take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
This is about Srebrenica.
So I keep seeing "Do not forget," but the year is different each time. I'm assuming that's from the war, right?
Yes, this is from the last war. 8,372 victims.
Oh man.
Wow.
They say don't forget, you know, and we will
Yes.
never forget.
You can't.
Yeah.
There's
Yes,
no
we
way.
can't. Lots of kids,
Yes.
women, we will never forget.
It is perhaps similar to our 9/11 incident with the
Yeah, but that
towers.
was one day. This was
I know,
years.
I know. I'm just saying, I think of it when I think of the don't forget.
Can you
Oh.
Never
imagine
forget.
this number, 8,000?
That is, yes, that is astonishing.
Well, on top of all the people that suffered for all those years, having to deal with the fear and all
Yes.
that.
But now everything, as you see,
It's beautiful.
now is everything
Peaceful.
and safe.
Peaceful,
It's
yes.
safe here.
Yes.
We even don't lock our houses. We don't lock. It's always open.
Nice.
Yeah.
When you come, it's always open.
Wow.
It's safe country. When they say it's not safe, it's not true.
Right.
Bosnia and
So
Herzegovina
far,
is
everybody
really
has been
safe
friendly.
people. You can see lots of hospitality here.
Yes.
Yes.
Free with me. Yeah, let's go be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go, let's be free.
I keep thinking, it's a small world after all.
Yes, yeah.
Pool tables.
Yes. Now is out of the season, and you can also go to fitness.
Yeah. Walking's enough for me. Ah, see, there's the putt-putt.
I want to be a child.
Yes, right? I still act like a child. Look giant.
I am giant April.
I want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button.
Share it with a friend. And like always,
thank you for living life.